2 hours later.
Hi to my vlog.
Hello to your vlog.
Welcome.
Welcome.
You're from where?
Ireland. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
From the...
Philippines.
From 1980.
Malaysia.
My girlfriend's from Philippines.
Yeah,
Really?
Yeah, Cebu.
from Philippines.
Yeah.
We're both from Philippines.
How long you been together?
1 year, 1 day.
No, over 1 year.
One
Over
year?
1 day, just yesterday.
We just met today.
So you have a plan to get married there?
I don't, but I think she
My
does.
friend's having an interview to the other country, to the different country.
Yeah.
We're
What is
two
your good
countries.
Steve,
Steve.
how about you?
Stephanie.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Really?
Steve. Stephanie.
My name is Steven, but with a PH.
Now there is another one.
Elvis
Can you please introduce yourself? Your name is?
German. German.
But-
I'm German.
Well, ayun na nga po. Sa daming alam na po si Sean ng video kapag pasensyahan nyo na. Kaya na lang po ang umatsyas kung paano niyo ako panunuurin. Anyway, before po kami akit sa taas, mag-rest lang kami tiro sa baba kasi medyo humid. And then medyo basa-basa na yung calico. Medyo malagkat-lagkit na. Hindi tayo makaka-aral later. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang meron sa taas. Mabubusog kayo. Sa makikita nyo o hindi lang tiyan. Pati mata mabubusog kayo doon. So, ayun nga po. Medyo nahiya ako kasi dumating si Kaya. Si Kaya ang nag-hi pa. Charing. Well, chinika ko si Chan. Pero ako na lang po nakakaalam kung ano na pag-usapan namin. Well, anyway, maya-maya akit na kami. So, ayun na nga guys, samahan niyo ako na tignan kung ano ang meron sa taas. So, see you bye. Bye-bye, see you later. Bye.
Well, hindi pa po ako tapos. So, papasensya ni natakpan muna natin ang kalangitan dahil medyo madilim. Well, yun na nga, before tayo pumunta sa taas, dito muna tayo sa baba. Ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung anong meron dito. Yan sila, meron silang keme-keme there. Also, yan, tara, akit na tayo para makita nyo na yung mga nakita ko. Kailangan nga daw share your alam nyo na yun? Let's go! Tara, samahan nyo na po ako! See you!
to my vlog. Hi to my vlog.
Welcome to your vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave
Cheers!
2 hours later.
Go on! Slide, slide!
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Holy moly, moly, moly.
I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult.